Hey friends, Ankur here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can you download PDF in iPhone XR. So as you can see, I have the iPhone XR in 128 GB variant, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can you download a PDF file from web browser and from Gmail. If somebody has sent you, how can you save that PDF file in your iPhone local storage. So for that you need to tap on Chrome if you want to download from a web browser, and tap on the desired website. You can also use the Safari app. And suppose here I want to download the final answer key of my examination. So what I have to do is I have to tap on the PDF file, just tap on it and just download it where it is. So here you can see I have here my PDF file. And now to save this PDF file in the local storage of the iPhone, what you need to do is just scroll up and down till then you find open at bottom right corner. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it you will find some options to share, but from here scroll down to bottom and tap save to files. And here you can see you have to tap on my iPhone, and you can make any folder, or you can directly save it to Chrome. From here you can make any folder like I'm doing here. So if I want, I can save it to this folder or any other which I want. So this is how you can save PDF in your iPhone. Now suppose you want to save a PDF file which somebody has sent you in mail. So for that just reach to the PDF file, after reaching here tap on top right corner, that is sharing, and scroll down to bottom and share, and here from here save it to files. So that's all for in this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.